Hi guys, DiecastPassion channel here, and today I'll show you the brand new 118 scale Mercedes-AMG GT C by Norev in a Selenite Grey. It's a sealed diecast and it costs 89.95 euros at ck-modelcars.de. You can find the link to buy below the video. Norev also produces a cheaper standard yellow version of AMG GT C with different wheels and without dealer's box. I have the AMG GTS by Norev and I'm very satisfied with it. So I'm curious, if is it good even it's a sealed? So let's find out. So, now let's talk about this AMG GT C by Norev. It's a beautiful model car, no doubt about that. I like a lot of things on it. For example, interior is amazing. Grey paint looks good. Rear of the car is very nice done. Model has good ride height and wheels with metallic brake discs are nice. It's a shame that model is sealed because my AMG GTS is a great diecast with opening body and I'm very satisfied with it. So I don't know why Norev chose to make sealed. And of course I don't like solid plastic grills. That's for sure. But after all, this is a great and very nice model car. I can recommend that. If you want to buy it, go to ck-modelcars.de. You can find the link below. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and tell me in comments what do you think about this Mercedes-AMG GT C. Thank you for watching again and see you soon.